Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on AliExpress by image. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up the AliExpress application in your mobile. Tap on the search bar in the top and you can see this camera icon here. Just simply tap on this camera icon, tap on this allow access, and now you can select the image. Tap on this done, and as you can see it's searching, and as you can see it searches. So it will search you according to your image. AliExpress, once you upload the picture, AliExpress will process it and display search results for similar items. You will see a list of products that match the image you uploaded along with your price and ratings. Is that simple? So here are few tips to get the best results while using the email search. Once you have found a similar product, you can refine your search result even more. Use the filter at the top of the screen. As you can see, best matches, popular and price. This will help you find exactly what you are looking for and get the best deals. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.